Welcome to part 2 of our reading lesson. We're going to be focusing, as you just heard in the last slide, we're going to be focusing on the skill of summarizing. Now, you should see right next to me an anchor chart that looks just like this. But before we get to this, I want to talk to you about two things. Next to that, we see two definitions, and the first one says summarizing. Will you please whisper read this with me together? Summarizing means restating the most important information or main ideas of a text in your own words. So you're not just copying a sentence down, you're figuring out what it all means, that whole paragraph, in your own words. Now, that's different than simply just finding the topic. Let's read now the definition below. Topic. Topic is what the sentence or paragraph is mainly about. It's usually one word or a small phrase. Finding the topic is just one word, like ice cream or roller skates or soccer. If that paragraph was mostly about ice cream or roller skates or soccer, that would be the topic, just that one word or small phrase. Summarizing is when we stretch that topic out a little bit. We write a complete sentence or a complete thought about what that paragraph or page or book is all about. So let's take a look at our anchor chart now. You also have it next to you. When I'm trying to figure out, if I'm trying to summarize a paragraph or a page, this is my train of thought. This is what I think about. First, I see if there's any headings. I find any headings or subheadings. Often the headings give you a pretty good clue of what your topic is and therefore helps you start to summarize it. So look for those headings. Here's the second thing I do. Then I find the main ideas. I remove any unnecessary information. Details in the story that don't really help me with the overall idea. I remove any repeated information and I replace lists with general wording. The third step in summarizing is to write short topic sentences. So I will take that information that I got, the main ideas from the paragraph or the page, and I'll write a topic sentence. Then I combine them into my short summary. Today, what we're going to do, though, is just focus on little pages or paragraphs. So on the next slide, you'll see I'm going to ask you to listen to a story from HMH Ed from our website. When we're done with that, we're going to practice finding not only the topic of the paragraph or page, but also I'm going to give you some sentence starters, and we're going to practice together writing summary sentences. Please click now to the next page.